Here's that.
Man, I feel like I need to go get an exhaust like right now. Just go serious business. All right, so I got this this trunk and this exhaust for a pretty good deal here locally, and I just shaved the badges and stuff off of the trunk. I'm gonna clean this up a little better where the emblems were and whatnot, but just got that trunk wing combo and a Tomei Extreme titanium exhaust. This thing is so light. I think it's, oops, I just knocked my ceiling, but pretty sweet. But I think I'm going to maybe attempt to put it on here real quick.
Here's that.
Man, I feel like I need to go get an exhaust like right now. Just go. All right, guys. So it's the next day. I had to call it quits because it started raining last night, so I just kind of left it all jacked up in the air. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and get back to it here. So we're gonna be doing this exhaust. This is a stock. This is how big this stock muffler is. And it's a dual. We're going to a single. So this is what's going on. So there's a resonator right here. That's going to be straight piped basically. So that's going to be adding a lot of sound, a little raspiness. Sorry about the weed whacker lady, for real. I don't know how bad that is right now on the camera. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get this exhaust off. You just got to remove this. I'm gonna take the hangers off with the rubber part and drop it with the exhaust, and then we'll put it on the new exhaust and then hang it up. That seems to be the easiest way to do it, in my opinion here. And yeah, so you got this, I guess is like a 12 millimeter, because someone said it was a 13. It's not, or I have 13 right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the 12. I'm pretty sure that's what it is anyways. And then we got 17s up there at the cat. So we'll just get to it. Alright. So this is definitely a 12. Huh? Sample. Oh my goodness. It has torture on my ear. Alright. We've got one portion down, disconnected, I guess. All right, I think I have everything undone. I'm gonna try to drag this big old turd out real quick. Look at that. That's what we call most of the toast right there. That is a fat exhaust. We got like 45 pounds stock muffler deal, and then we got 7. Like I can just, this is nothing. Titanium You can see just the titanium piping, how much bigger it is than the stock with the heat shield. Like this is this heat shield too with the around the original pipe. So you come over here, this is a more better comparison as to the size upgrade. So you can see a little more flow up in here. So right on, brother. All right, so literally all you got to do as far as transferring parts is just exhaust biscuit, whatever you call this thing, gasket hanger deal. Put this over on that, hang it up. Got one hanger here, bolts up to 17s. This thing's so light that it doesn't need that much support, so pretty slick. All right, y'all, it's Tomei time. I already got it like hanging and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I need to pull this, like what do you call this, little metal guide out of this thing, so this will slide in here, and then yeah, tighten this down. This is probably gonna rattle pretty bad on here until I get the I don't know, it's like a plastic heat tolerant thing that goes around the metal here to hang this up. So I'll get that probably ordered from Tomei or something, or somewhere close, and then put it on later when it comes. But for now I'll deal with the rattle because race car and stuff, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna get this thing out, put this hanger on, and I'll go button up those 17s up there, and we're gonna give it a start up. Pretty cool. I think I can deal with that. It sounds good with the cat on still. I haven't been a fan of the raspiness of the test pipe too much on the Evos, but this is a little not too bad. I'm gonna give it a couple of gibbies.